Hey friends, I'm back with a new game and it's a Pong game. So it is very easy and let's see how to make it. So first let's choose the backdrop and according to me neon tunnel fits the best for this game and I'd prefer use space or underwater or you can go to sports also. And neon tunnel is present over here. And for the ball and the paddle, go to the new sprite. Here is our ball and here we got our paddle also. And if you want to change the color of the ball, you can go to the costumes and there are many colors. So let's go to the codings and first the ball. It's a bit challenging, but for the paddle, it's very easy. So first one flat click, and if you want to add score, then you can add that also by going to data, make a variable, and set the name for a variable that is score. But for that, your variable list need to be, you know, empty, and there is a variable already in this coding, so that's why it is showing like that. And then point to direction, move 15 steps, and if on edge bounds, you can find all these motions. Then, if you want to make it challenging, then you can go to the backdrops and you can just draw a line over here and go to the ball and add this coding also. If touching this color, then change score by -1. So first, let's see the paddles. It is very easy and very short also. When flat click, then go to mouse pointer. And let's see how this game works. Oh, see it's changing color also because I have added an effect like that. And if it touches the red line, then that is -2 for you. I like this game a lot. I've created it today only and hope you also like it. And if you like it, then go and create one of yours. But before that, don't forget to like and share.